Milgard Windows and Doors is excited to introduce the aluminum AX550 Moving Glass Wall system. We manufacture stacking, pocket, and bifold doors at our state-of-the-art facility in Simi Valley, California. These doors are designed to meet the most stringent energy efficiency standards. We'd like to introduce you to our manufacturing process. We keep plenty of inventory in our facilities, ready to ship on time and accurately. Our aluminum lineals are designed with the new thermal break technology. Our Kynar paint meets the best-in-class ALMA 2605 performance rating, making it ideal for coastal applications. These finishes, along with our anodized options, include an industry-leading 20-year warranty on the finish. This is our fabrication center. The door-specific fabrications are sent directly to our Emoji Fabrication Center as orders are placed. This incredible equipment utilizes 9 different tools with a 25-inch blade that punches, routes, drills, and cuts the lineals, ensuring the highest quality every time. Once the lineals are cut and routed, the panels are assembled by experienced technicians, focusing on quality alignment. The AX550 panels are glazed using standard glazing tape, making it easy for installers to replace glass if needed. Following stringent safety guidelines, our glass is safely picked using a new lift assist crane. Next, experienced technicians assemble the frames. The panel rollers will carry between 700 and 1,300 pounds, ensuring smooth operation. Keep in mind that our doors can be built as large as 20 feet wide by 10 feet high, increasing your living space with truly expansive openings. We carefully package the panels on racks using a banding machine and protective corners. To protect the glass, a rigid protective film is applied. The panel is then placed in the custom metal rack to minimize touches and ensures quality. All of our hardware is pulled using a pick-to-light system to ensure we get it right every time. Lastly, boxes include detailed content descriptions, making it very easy for installers to identify all needed parts. Installers can reference printed instructions and online instructional videos. Unfold the potential of your home and experience a luxurious way to enjoy all of the space it has to offer. Create a vibrant mural of the outdoors with our AX550 Moving Glass Wall. Thank you for taking time to learn about Milgard's AX550 Moving Glass Wall systems, built with a contemporary design to maximize views, energy efficiency, and the beauty of your home. Please visit Milgard.com or a Milgard certified dealer to learn more.